Welcome. Today we're going to look at a product I wasn't expecting to see. Spigen is doing headphones, and they also have in-ear headphones, but these are the overhead. So this is the SAHP P10. I've seen online videos that in India it comes also with a really nice case. Unfortunately, they didn't include it for us in UK. Active noise cancellation Pro, 60 hours of battery, and he has an application as well for Android and for the App Store. Low latency for gaming, multi-device pairing, and again the noise cancelling. And in here it shows the 40mm drivers, how it's set up. Titanium diaphragm, and then it's charging with a 2.5 watts charger. That's the battery, 500 milliamp. Charging time 2 hours, so it's fast charging, I think. From what we can see, you can see the dimensions in here as well. And yeah, let's just open it up and see what it's all about. Okay. Oh, sorry, I need to cut that. Okay. You also get the instructions, and I can see it doesn't have the case. Very disappointed, to be honest. They should have included it. If you do it for one country, do it for all, isn't it? And I'm not even opening this. It's a 3.5mm to 3.5mm USB-C to A for charging. And this is where the headphones are. That's pretty much it. So let's see, what is this about? They also say you can wash the earpieces. So guys, that's how they look like. They look like industrial kind of plastic, nothing fancy. They only have this bit which is like shiny. It's good for big heads as well, and that's metal with plastic underneath. Yeah, pretty good. Left, right, and that's a really good memory foam. It will be very comfortable to wear. And on one side we have nothing, just a microphone. On the top there is something in there, and the same on the other side. They also adjust like that. They go flat, they go like this as well. That's really good. They snap into place, and you have ANC button, very clicky, USB, a microphone, jack, volume, and I guess that's the menu, and to power them on. Comfortable on the top, actually is really comfortable. I'm not sure how it fits with this thing. It's quite short, but I think it should be fine. So yeah, I'm gonna need to test them, see how they sound, but so far they look good. Let's just turn them on, see if it has any voice prompts. Shows a notification sound, toon toon, and it's pairing. Doesn't have voice prompts, but it's not notifications. So yeah, I'm gonna test them and let you know how they sound.